Today I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step process of sketching a simple and quick drawing of a cityscape from an architect's point of view. 안녕하세요. 스문플레스의 도시건축가 언입니다. Hello, I'm an urban architect at Sumun Place. I was born and raised in Korea for the most part, but after studying landscape architecture and urban design at the University of Pennsylvania, I'm now working in urban architecture in the United States and Korea. I would like to share my thoughts on the beautiful places of the city with those who are interested in art and space through my drawings. This drawing depicts a moment when I was walking in Tokyo's Midtown and briefly glanced at a green space nestled behind the buildings in the city center. The arrangement of this space was beautiful that it inspired me to capture it in a drawing. First, I established the position of a row of central trees and determined the placement of a sculptural structure in front. Then I added more intricate details to the trees and defined the location of a hardscape area where people can find a peaceful retreat from the bustling city. I sketched the seated individuals with simple lines, focusing on their positions rather than intricate details, since they are not the main focus on the composition. Next, I rendered the trees in more depth, adding shading to convey the atmosphere of the space. I also include another person seated at the front, looking towards the scene, and pay closer attention to the central area by adding more detailed elements. To create a sense of depth, I drew the city buildings visible in the background behind the green space. Urban green spaces like this play a vital role in providing people with a place to rest in the cityscape. Since this space is viewed through the foreground, I use simple lines to establish a sense of hierarchy. I refined the details of the arranged tree spaces, adding more depth and definition. Lastly, to enhance the overall mood, I touch the foreground with a pen. I also sketch a crane in the background, symbolizing ongoing construction using simple lines. With a few final touches, I complete the overall atmosphere. I hope this video helps you visualize urban landscapes and people through art. Subscribing to the channel and enabling notifications would greatly support me in creating more content. Thank you.